guys, we're out to eat again at what's the name? Rock and Brews. You guys, we're here for the Chargers. Babe, let me see your shirt and hat. Nevaeh, say hi. You're not gonna cry? You don't wanna talk? Okay.
Go,
She's being a grump, but anyways, we're gonna see how it goes. We're excited. A lot of Chargers fans are here. And yeah, see you guys later. Our food is here. I got popcorn shrimp. Babe got jalapeno poppers, and Nevaeh got pizza and fries, of course. And then I got like lemonade. And my babe already drank his drink. TV that we're watching. This is cool. To the park. This is never ending. We have to go to Walmart and look what we got in the bed. The Naomi though, she's been wanting Naomi since what, babe? Forever? And every time we go to the store, they never have the action figure or they don't have the actual Barbie. So we couldn't find either. And then with them closing Toys R Us and Babies R Us, we really couldn't find it. So we saw this at Walmart. We had to get it for her. So you love your Naomi? You excited?
Yeah.
She's super excited. And of course, we got our little snack. My babe bought a basketball. We're about to head to the park for a little bit and play with Nevaeh. So,
Mommy, we're going to the park. We're going to the park.
Babe, go for the. She's going for the shoot. I mean, she's going for the shot. Here we go, babe. Oh, he's stuck. One hand. Whee! Nevaeh. Hey guys, so we're back home. Sunday fun day. Show your new Naomi. With Nevaeh's new Naomi. Show her. Let me see her. Turn her around so everybody can see her face.
Oh, we can.
She has green hair.
We can.
See her. She says, "Feel the glow."
Oh, God, we can.
Say she has green hair.
She has.
Green hair, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. You guys, the Chargers lost sadly, but we're going for the Rams. You guys, we gotta represent LA, so we're going for the Rams. And yeah, so you guys, that sucks, but yeah, we're back home. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog. We're gonna go end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. One more time. Mwah. Okay, you guys, so we're in the car right now. Just left from Nevaeh's WIT class. I had like a little bit of footage and pictures from it. And what are you eating, baby? M&Ms? And what did I get you at Target? You guys, we went to Target because this is in the same town center. Okay, show them. They want to see. Wow, Nevaeh, she's upside down. There you go. You guys, she is so spoiled, you guys. I went there. I'm supposed to be shopping for like a special occasion, which is this weekend, which is her baptism, and I'm out here buying her candy and Barbies. I just can't, you guys. She's seriously so spoiled for me and my husband, and you know, we're so thankful and we're blessed. We're thankful for everybody who like does stuff for Nevaeh. It just makes me happy. Yeah, you are. It makes me and Anthony so happy, you know. But anyways, let me get off here. I just want to check in with you guys. Today was errands, running errands. I didn't vlog at Target. I should have, but you guys. Ooh, I'm gonna show you guys what I got when we get home. I only got one thing for myself. The rest all for Nevaeh. But I will show you guys when we get home because I can't talk and drive. So yeah, bye. Okay, you guys. Nevaeh's excited about her bill, but I'm back home and I got the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy. Sorry about my nose. Healthy Elixir, and it's a foundation with vitamins and sunscreen. Spectrum SPF 20 and it's $7.65, and this is in the color tawny, and I'm so excited, you guys, because I never could find foundation that's my skin tone. So I was going between this one and the elf one. And don't mind the body, you guys. Literally, I was trying to get the stuff because, you know, I don't like paying for bags. So I was putting the stuff in my backpack and it fell out of the cart. I told Nevaeh to hold it. She didn't hold it. It fell and it cracked, you guys. But this is made of such good glass that it didn't even bust open and the foundation is still intact. So I can still use it. So it's all good. I was clumsy, so that was my bad. But you guys, yeah, let's see. It's lightweight, full coverage makeup. Formula hydrates and includes a complex SPF 20 vitamins and antioxidants, oil free, and I'm super excited. You guys, I have super dry skin, and for some reason when I put foundation on, my skin looks like it peels and stuff. So I just feel like this is the best one. I'm super happy with this. I gotta find out how to make it work after it dropped and the top flew off and everything. So oh yeah, anyway, let's show you guys. I just had to show you guys, these are Dell Wispies. I'm so excited. They are the magnetic ones, you guys. Super excited. I never tried magnetic lashes before. They come out like this, you guys see? It just like attaches. Let me show you guys right here. It attaches like right back to that. See that? Super excited to try it out. You guys, shout out to my mom. Thank you. How spoiled Nevaeh is. More Barbies. You guys, it never ends. This is the, I don't know what Barbie this is, y'all.
It's Barbie.
It was nice. How you just got it today? She already looked ratchet.
Barbie.
Is Princess Barbie?
Okay.
Okay. Nevaeh, look at you. Nevaeh, can I see your outfit first? Is that your new shirt you got for Christmas? Beautiful. But you already had those shoes. Look at this carpet again. But cute outfit. And who do you have right here?
Belle.
Belle. You like her?
And Barbie.
Oh, and Barbie has Cinderella dress on. So yeah, this right here is Belle. And you guys, I told her she could get one. She wanted either, I told her Belle or Aurora. She picked Belle. She does not have Belle. Her collection is almost complete, you guys. I think she needs like 3 more Barbies and she has all of the princesses. So I just can't believe.
Mulan.
Yeah, Mulan and Jasmine. What do we need? I know. Here, baby. But yeah, you guys, she loves it. I love it. So yeah. She has a swimsuit under it. Can I see? Oh my gosh, she has a swimsuit. Beautiful. You made a good choice, Nevaeh. She's really pretty. And then her skirt.
Okay.
Very
I
pretty.
got a khaki nugget.
Wow, beautiful.
I got a khaki flower.
I love it so much.
I don't rubber. I love the rubber on the basin. So I love her because
you guys, Target yesterday for Belle, now today Kohl's for this. But you guys, I had a gift card for this, so that was more better.
Barbie.
But for Target for Belle, that was my own money I spent. You're so spoiled. You get everything what you want.
Barbie.
I know. You want to show her shoes? Ooh, look at the kicks. All right. Look at you guys. Look what Nevaeh did to Sasha Banks. Turn it this way. This is her Zomba Sasha Banks she got for Sasha Banks for WWE for Christmas. What I say Halloween. And you put Vampirina's backpack on her.
Yes.
So where's she going?
Going to school.
She going to school?
Yes.
Wow.
I go to school.
Where's she going?
Yes.
Wait, to where? To school. Okay, but let me see who's in your hand.
Belle.
Belle had to come in the car with us to go get food. And Elena is wearing Tiana's dress. You got your water. You guys, today's been such a long day for me. Babe, it's been a long day for you too, huh? You want to be in it?
What's up, yo? My name's Anthony. I'm Dassa's husband. We gotta go get some food right now.
Where are we going, babe?
We're going to Mr. Giant. We're craving this Mexican food. I haven't slept all day.
Oh my gosh, babe. And it's his fault we have to go get Mexican food because he came home. His job always has food. They got food trucks at his work. Like, I'm jealous. He be coming home with all the good food. And then I'm like, ever since I tasted it, I'm like, we gotta get Mexican food now. We gotta get Mexican. His Mexican side was coming out today. Oh my gosh. All right. We're almost there. Guys, bomb. Super nachos. Nevaeh stuffed taco. carne asada platter. What's in here? Egg roll?
Tortillas.
Oh, tortillas? That's an egg roll. Burrito. Fries. Oh my gosh. I could ask for a better Thursday. This is a bump. You guys, look what came in the mail. I got my free Ring doorbell from ring.com. You guys, I will leave all the info in the description box on how I received my Ring doorbell for free, you guys. I shared my code on Facebook, Twitter, OfferUp, everywhere. And I received my free Ring doorbell. I'm so excited, you guys. This is literally over $100. And I got it for free. So it's like 7 something in the morning, and the FedEx guy just banged on our door. So I was already up, but you guys, look at this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. You guys, because we do have surveillance right now at our home, but I got the surveillance we have now off of OfferUp, but this is like the real deal. Like, yes, okay, let me open it. Okay, so here it is. It says like hello to Ring. Open it. It's like these, all the paperwork. Now you guys, the standard Ring looks like this. It's like black on top and gray on the bottom. And me and my husband didn't like how that one looked, so we got black on black. Yeah. Was this protected by Ring? Yes, I'm putting this on my window. Audio and video surveillance. Yes, hunty. Don't try it over here because we got you on camera. Okay, all this other stuff about how you could set up on your phone. And you guys, here it is. OMG. Look at it. I didn't know it's like, not rose gold. It has like this little thing around it. Nice. So, I don't know how I'm going to be able to, put this on. You're gonna have to get somebody to install this. And then it says warrant. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this ourselves. We're gonna have to hire somebody to hook it up because you gotta wire it to your actual doorbell. We don't know how to do all that. But wow. And then here's the installation tools. It's so exciting. You guys, I know social media has like a lot of downs, but you guys, all the bonuses that you could get and all like the freebies is a plus, because if it wasn't for Facebook I would have never learned about this. So yeah, here's all the tools. This is so cool, you guys. So I know, baby. So you guys, probably the next couple of videos, maybe like next month, I don't know when we're gonna install this, but we will, because like I said, we already have surveillance set up right now. So yeah, I just can't believe it's here. So you guys, check my description box for sure to see how you guys can order your own Ring today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys later.